Alrighty guys, as you can see, the frame is so much cleaner. Still got a little bit of grime on it, but that ain't gonna hurt nobody. So we are ready to drop the built motor in. We're going to remove our bottom transmission mount real quick, throw a couple of engine mounts on, and then we'll start setting it in and getting it bolted down. Alrighty guys, so the engine is in. We just gotta tighten everything down, back the tractor out obviously. Shout out to my amazing wife who just ran a tractor for the first time and helped us set it in. But she is ready to go. We're gonna have to flip the trans mount a little bit so we can bolt up, but other than that, the motor is in. Alright guys, so we just slid our trans mount forward, bolted it back down. It's got a slotted keyway, if you can see that, where the bottom mount can adjust about 2 inches. So we adjusted it forward, trans bolted right up. Motor mounts are tightened down on both sides. This thing is coming along wonderfully, so we are going to be getting the cab pulled in the next video on the 82 Silverado, and then we're going to be swapping the cabs, fabricating new cab mounts to drop it on, and figuring out what we're gonna have to do in terms of radiator, intercooler, and all that good stuff. But we'll get there when we get there. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.